Jasveen Sangha, widely known as the Ketamine Queen, has agreed to plead guilty to multiple federal charges connected to the overdose death of actor Matthew Perry. This plea marks a pivotal moment in a high-profile case that has drawn significant public attention, as Sangha becomes the final defendant to reach an agreement, thereby avoiding a scheduled trial. Sangha, a 42-year-old dual citizen of the United States and the United Kingdom, was operating a drug distribution network from her North Hollywood home. Authorities discovered large quantities of ketamine, methamphetamine, cocaine, and Xanax at the residence, which was described in official records as a stash house. Prosecutors have painted Sangha as a prolific drug dealer who supplied substances to high-profile clients, including celebrities. According to the plea agreement, Sangha admitted to selling approximately 50 vials of ketamine to Matthew Perry for $11,000 just days before his death in October 2023. Perry, who had previously been using ketamine under medical supervision for depression treatment, reportedly turned to unregulated sources when his legal access to the drug was limited. Sangha's associate, Erik Fleming, facilitated the transaction, and Perry's assistant, Kenneth Iwamasa, administered the ketamine injections that ultimately led to his fatal overdose. Sangha now faces a maximum sentence of 45 years in federal prison, though prosecutors are expected to recommend a lighter sentence due to her cooperation with authorities during the investigation. Sentencing dates for Sangha and others involved in the case have not yet been set. The case has highlighted the illegal distribution of ketamine in Hollywood and the exploitation of individuals struggling with addiction. It has also underscored the broader need for vigilance and regulation in the distribution of controlled substances to prevent similar tragedies in the future. This development has brought renewed public and media scrutiny on the dangers of unregulated drug access, especially among high-profile individuals, and has prompted discussions about mental health treatment, prescription oversight, and the legal responsibilities of those who distribute controlled substances. Sangha's guilty plea may also have implications for other ongoing investigations into the illegal supply of drugs within the entertainment industry, as authorities continue to examine networks and connections involved in distributing potent substances to vulnerable individuals. Her case serves as a stark reminder of the risks posed by recreational or unsupervised use of powerful drugs such as ketamine. It also raises questions about accountability, both for those who distribute illicit substances and for individuals who facilitate or administer them. The legal proceedings and media coverage surrounding Sangha and Perry have ignited debates about celebrity access to controlled drugs and the societal consequences of drug misuse. Experts in addiction medicine and law enforcement have weighed in on how this case exemplifies the intersection of public health crises, criminal activity, and the vulnerabilities of high-profile figures seeking relief from mental health conditions. Authorities hope that Sangha's cooperation will shed light on other elements of the illicit drug trade and potentially prevent future overdoses. The case continues to evolve, and it remains a topic of intense public interest as further legal actions and sentencing decisions are awaited. Sangha's admission of guilt closes one chapter in the investigation into Matthew Perry's tragic death, yet it opens a broader conversation about systemic issues within mental health care, drug regulation, and the risks posed by unregulated access to potent substances in both the entertainment industry and wider society.